Hey everyone, my name is Adam Anyszewski and I'm in charge of product and customer success at Continuum Industries, and I'm one of customers of Archbee. So Continuum Industries are a software startup or scale up at this stage. We work with the infrastructure world, but really the physical infrastructure rather than computational infrastructure. So things like cables, overhead lines, electricity sector, pipelines with water, sewage, hydrogen, gas, physical infrastructure that we have there out in the world. We have this clever tool called Optioneer that helps our customers plan, design, optimize how they build their networks. So these days, there's a lot of stuff that is getting built because the energy mix and climate change means that places where electricity used to be generated and places where it was consumed have shifted. Same happens for water, same happens for gas, for a lot of other things. So there's a lot of infrastructure that is being built as a result. Now, as our product is quite technical because it's used by engineers, environmental scientists, public consultation experts, project managers, cost estimators, you name it, tens of different professions and customer profiles. And it combines the element of being technical, sort of a tool for engineers, as well as being technical piece of SaaS software with a relatively complex enterprise component to it, because our customers are complex organizations like public utilities, employing thousands of people. We needed a very robust documentation portal and knowledge base. And beforehand, we had something in Intercom that was limited. We had something in Notion that was also limited. So I started looking for solutions that would allow us to build an externally facing knowledge base that will be the basis for our product, but also something that could be used internally that will effectively become a single source of truth for what our product does, how to use it, what the value is, what are the different workflows, what are the different technical specs of different aspects of the product, basically to write the Bible of everything related to Optioneer. So I found Archbee to be the most comprehensive solution on for our needs from a couple of perspectives. I mean, the interface is easy to use, similar to Notion. I could immediately pick it up. It's clean, nothing flashy, but it works. The things that I liked in particular are things, the widgets. So the fact that you can embed parts of your documentation portal within your app or within your own product is very important for me, because the product is developing quite quickly and there's a lot of knowledge behind it, especially sort of technical and engineering knowledge. So it's not easy to embed that documentation within the product. So the fact that I can embed a widget and then point that to the documentation portal that I can then maintain myself without the developers developer hours, that is very cool. And I really like that. We haven't fully tested it yet, but the Gen AI search and sort of being able to index different documents is also very promising. So we'll see what we make out of that. But the key thing for us that attracted us to Archbee really is around the widget and what you can do with that when it comes to your own product. In terms of the results that we have seen, we're just in the process of launching on the product portal. So we haven't yet measured the results with our customers. So once that comes around, I'll be happy to update you about it. But for the time being, we started using the portal internally. We started pouring all the knowledge from different people into the portal. And yeah, we'll see. I do expect that it will be extremely popular with our customers and internal staff. We actually also hired a person who will be overseeing it end to end. So we have our first technical author coming in, and we'll probably have a Q3 measurable around its adoption and success. So we'll see where we get to once that happens. So, all right. I hope that this answers all the questions from Archbee for the purposes of this. Sorry for the video if it's a bit weird, but I'm recording it in my house. Let me know if you need anything else, and for the time being, have a good day.